friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sweet Sheep, a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to get started with the hair on the top, and we're just going to curve this line around and then down. Moving in towards the top again, we're going to replicate that, bringing that down further in towards the middle. And then one last time beside that, we're going to bring this line around and then down again. We're going to close this off on the bottom by connecting this with a small curved line. For the top of the head on the right, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that again. Now in the corner for the cheek, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll move over on the left, replicating that, bringing that line down. Now let's close off the side of the face. So we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing, moving further across on the right, bringing this all the way around, blending that in together on the bottom. Let's add in some details underneath now. So coming directly down in the center towards the left for the nose, we're going to draw in a small oval. For the left eye, we're going to arch this line up towards our hair. On the bottom, let's curve this line out towards the top. And now from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. Let's move across on the right now. We're going to curve this line up and over. Moving over towards the inside, we're going to arch this line around and then down on the right. On the left-hand side now, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for the highlight of the eye. And then we'll do the same thing moving over on the right-hand side. Now from here in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing moving over on the left for the corner of the mouth. Closing off the top of the mouth, we're going to arch this line up and across. And we'll do this again over on the left. Now from here on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing this all the way around and then back up on the side. For the tongue in the middle, we're going to curve this line down on the right, and then starting back in the center, bringing this line over on the left. Now let's draw in our ears. On the right-hand side, moving up, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then starting back on this line, we're just going to continue to bring this around and then in towards the bottom. In the middle, we're going to replicate that shape, bringing this line out and then back in underneath. Let's move across towards the left now on the top, bringing this line out and then back in. And then in the center again, we're going to replicate that, curving this line around and then back in on the side. Now let's draw in the horns. So behind here in the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then down towards our right ear. And then we're going to continue to move underneath, bringing this around and then back up. Now from here, from that point, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in towards the bottom. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line over towards our hair. And then coming underneath, we're just going to curve this line up and then back down towards the side of the cheek. For the eyebrows on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw in the butterfly pendant. So in the center, we're going to draw in a small oval. To the left of this, we're going to arch this line around and then in, and then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now on the bottom, again, we're going to bring this line around and then in towards the center. Now in all the 4 open spots here, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Now we're going to draw in the letter V up above for the string of the pendant. Now let's focus on our arm up above. So coming down on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line up and then over. From the top here, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from here on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line back across, ending this at roughly the same height. Now as you move over to close the arm off, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. And then moving underneath, we're just going to arch this line down. Now for the hand, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then stepping further up from the corner, coming down, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now let's draw in the torso. So coming up, we're going to curve this line in. Stepping down underneath our butterfly wing, we're going to arch this line around and then across. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line up and then over towards the side. Let's close off the leg. So in the middle, we're going to arch this line over and out towards the left. Moving across on the right, we're going to curve this line down and then back over on the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving up again one more time, let's replicate that. Now coming over for our left leg, starting underneath the stomach here, we're just going to curve this line over and across. And then from that corner again, arching this line around and then in. Again, moving up, we're going to curve this line over, connecting that together. And now let's draw on the tail. So coming across, leaving a gap, we're going to arch this line around and then down towards our arm. And then coming back underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Lastly, let's draw on our left arm now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and out. Coming down on a diagonal, starting at the same height here, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in towards our torso. And now let's close our arm off on the top, arching this line around and then down. And then one more time as we move in towards the middle, just curving that across. And that is it. That's how you draw Sweet Sheep. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.